I bought a telephone from Amazon. Let's talk about that. Welcome to my channel. You can see that I've already unboxed it, but let's go to my past self to see how the unboxing experience was. This is the box from Amazon. I have it here. Let's start cutting it. Having a pic inside, we have a blue box. Orientel. You can see that, right? Let me put it down. So this is the box. Let's see which color I got. Yeah, they don't actually let you choose the color. You get it by random. Let me get that off. Here's the wires. Seems okay. Just like usual telephones, at least like I used to remember them. I haven't seen one in a long time. Let's get rid of that. Okay, let's cut that too. I hope you didn't understand what I did there. Okay, that's nice. We got a bronze variant. One shown on box is copper, I think. Here's a paper. The papers are here. Yeah, it's actually nice. Let me connect this. The papers are going. Let's get rid of those papers as well. Now let me connect this. The ports on the bottom side, and there's a path for keeping the wires intact. Do that. Yeah, like that. And you have two buttons for high and low volume, P and T. Let me know in the comments what P and T are in a telephone. So that's all. Let's go back to my future self. Hope you enjoyed that. Now let's see the pros and cons of this particular device. Pros. First of all, it's a very compact device. You can use it in one hand, actually two hands, and you can dial here and call. Then it's wall mountable, and there is a small pin here which you can turn to make it wall mountable so that it doesn't fall off. Also, it has a very nice build. It doesn't twist and turn and all. Very firm build. And this part feels a bit less firm, but still is strong. Overall, it's a nice build. And there are options for high and low volume behind it. There is a mute button, flash, redial button, and all. Overall, it's a very nice product. The voice quality is clear for both us and the receiver. I checked both sides and it's nice. Now let's go to cons. When talking about cons, I've felt a couple. First and foremost, for some people, the numbers on this thing might be hard to see. It doesn't have much contrast to it. It didn't affect me much, but that's not the case with everyone. Then the lights in this thing could be seen as a con for some, and some might like it. Then the lack of functionality. Like, it's a very simple phone, and you can't do much other than dialing, redialing and all. You cannot store your numbers, so you need a number diary to take and dial. You cannot store any contacts in here. There are many other high functionality telephones out there, but for this budget I felt that this is one of the best options you have if you are buying a telephone. I'm not saying anyone needs a telephone at this age, but still, it just goes with the ambience. But one more problem, when you're ordering, they don't have the option to choose color. You just get a random color. I'm not saying the color is so random. You have to choose from bronze, nickel and copper. For people who care about the color, this might be a problem. Other than all that, for this budget, this phone seems like a very good option. So that's all about this telephone. Do you like this telephone? Tell me down in the comments below. Do you think you need a telephone in your home? So that's all guys. Thanks for liking and commenting. Thanks for watching till now. I'm Bimal and